Hello everyone, welcome back to Suchiverse, the place where learning gets simpler and smarter. In today's video, we are diving into some of the most confusing terms in machine learning. Those are overfitting, underfitting, bias, and variance. And there are two superheroes that save the day, which are ridge and lasso regression. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will understand all of them with zero confusion. Let's go ahead. Okay, so let's imagine two kids are preparing for an exam. The first kid is super chill, like too chill. He barely studies and doesn't try to understand anything. So he just guesses answers in the exam. So what could be the result? Of course, he fails. But why? Because he never really learned the subject. That's what we call underfitting in the machine learning. Here, the model is too simple and didn't learn enough, so it just doesn't perform well. Which means the performance is very poor on both training as well as test data. Because from the training data, it's not understanding the pattern. So that is why it is not even performing well on the test data. So just remember this underfitting as here the model way is not learning enough. So that is why it won't perform well both on training as well as test data set. Now let's go to the second kid. This one is intense. He memorizes every single word of the textbook, which means every example, every sentence right in his brain. But when the question in the exam is even slightly different, he gets confused. Because he memorized the stuff, he didn't actually understand the concept in it. That's known as overfitting. Here, the model memorized everything, including the random noise. That is why it performs well on the training data and it results poor performance on the test data or the data which is not seen. Just remember, overfitting means the model is learning too much, which is including noise. Now let's understand bias and variance in a simple manner. Just remember, bias means as wrong assumptions. The model is too simple like our first kid. And similarly, variance means model is too sensitive like our second kid. So just remember, high bias means underfitting and high variance means overfitting. What we want is a balance. A model learns just the right amount, like a student who understands the concepts, practices example and knows how to solve any kind of question. So what could be the solution of this problem? What if we help this second child to get rid of overfitting? What if we say him or what if we advise him, hey buddy, just stop memorizing every word. Just focus on what's actually important. This is where regularization comes into the picture. It's like adding a little rule or penalty to the model that says, don't get carried away, stick to the important stuff. So that this helps the model to focus only on the right features and it can ignore the noise. And that's what ridge and lasso regression do. Let's start with the ridge regression. Ridge regression is also known as L2 regularization. What it does is, it reduces the size of all the model weights. Basically, it says like, don't give too much importance to any one feature. It's like saying to our student, okay, study everything but chill. Don't obsess over just one chapter. It helps when all features are kind of useful and we just want to prevent overreaction. So here you can see the formula, which is nothing but mean squared error plus lambda into summation of weight whole square. This just means this is a penalty, which is nothing but lambda into square of weights. This is a penalty term. Now let's talk about the lasso regression, which is also known as L1 regularization. This one is little stricter. It doesn't just shrink weights, it can actually make some of them to zero. It is something like if a feature is not important, it kicks it out completely. It's like telling our students, stop wasting time on random chapters. Drop them and focus only on the core stuff. This is perfect for situations where only a few features really matter and we want to automatically select them. So here the formula is mean square error plus lambda into summation of absolute value of the weights. Just remember like this, in ridge regression, we will be having the penalty term which includes squares of weights. So there we are giving the equal importance to each and every feature. But here in lasso regression, we are just dealing with the absolute value of the model weights, which means like we can remove the unwanted features here. We can just select the wanted features for our model. Alright, so here's the takeaway of today's video. Just remember these things. Underfitting means like the model is not learning enough, and overfitting is model is learning too much, which include noise, as well as bias means oversimplified, and variance means overcomplicated. Whereas rich regression means it shrinks everything, it helps with overfitting, and whereas lasso regression means shrinks and removes unimportant stuff. What we want is a model that's like a well prepared student, smart as well as balanced, and not trying to memorize the entire syllabus blindly. And that's wrap for today's video. If this helped make things easier, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you.